Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Sofi's retirement planning tools. Let's get straight into it because it's going to be a quick video. First thing you got to do is to log into your Sofi account, and then once you're logged in, just navigate to the retirement tab. Next you can select planning tools from the drop down menu, and you're going to need to answer questions about your retirement goals and your financial situation. Next, Sofi is going to generate a personalized retirement plan, including a retirement savings goals and recommended investment portfolios. Next, you just got to review and adjust your retirement plan as needed to ensure that it remains aligned with your goals. And then use Sofi's retirement planning tool to track your progress and make adjustments over time. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Sofi's retirement planning tools. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.